video. So hey guys, welcome to our another video. And in this video in very long after a very long days I'm making video because my online exams are going. So online exams are now ended. So in this video I will talk about that how to install BlueStacks 2 in your PC. The means low version, but it is very good. So without wasting time and without talking, let's go to our topic. So first you need to download this file, okay, BlueStacks 2 native. So this file I have downloaded. You need to download the file. So let me see you where how I have downloaded. So let's go. Let me see you guys. So you have to come first to this website. So how to come? I will give the link in description, okay, don't fear, I will give the link in description. And how to download, here you have to scroll down. So here you will find this, okay, download here icon. You have to click on it and you will be redirected to Mediafire. Here you have to click on it and install it. So after installing, this file, it will come at the first. So this, okay, so we will extract this, okay, extract here, and you can see the extract process begins from here. So we will wait some time and extraction completed. So you can see this is BlueStacks 2 native setup. So we will click on right click and do run as administration option, and oh guys, yes, I can. So you can see it will take some time to extract. So 7%, it will take some time, okay guys, don't fear, because this is an offline installer. You have to download a 314 MB file. So it is extracting now. So extraction has been completed and this will come welcome to BlueStacks. So here we will click on the next icon. You can install anywhere. I am installing in my H PUBG Mobile Lite folder. So here, okay, so next install, you have to click on the install icon, okay, wait for some time. So guys, you need one more file, that let me see you. So I'll see you. Wait guys, wait, don't be so fast. Sorry for the background noises, very much sorry, but still, see, it is creating the BlueStacks registry. So let's wait guys. So what file you needed, let me see you. This file you needed, of course guys. So this BST Twitter, okay, this, so I will see it later, and you can see it is coming, creating BlueStacks shortcuts. So it is creating the shortcuts, okay, that you need. So this is BlueStacks. So my PC is a little hanging because I am using screen recorder, because in screen recorder it hangs. So you can see searching completed. We will click on the finish icon and it downloaded. Now we have to come to our computer. Here this file you have to download. So go to Google and search download BST Vicar, okay. I will give the link. So here this BlueStacks Twitter file, we will click on it and do run as administration. But first we have to open our BlueStacks here. Yes, so wait. So it is BlueStacks account, okay. So how to do it, let me see you. Full progress, okay. This thing you have to not do BlueStacks account, you have to not create, you have to only sign in your Google account with the BST Twitter. So how to do it, let me see in the here, click on this run as administration. So it has been opened now. You can see this is the BlueStacks, and here should be green, but leave all. Here help us, settings, config, so this is login with Google icon. Okay, you have to click on it and it is now in off position. Now you have to again go to main. Okay, and you can see ABD is green. So now you have to click on the stop BS. So stop BS, start BS. Guys, your BlueStacks has been opened. You can see with BS Tweaker, and you can see here your BlueStacks TV. You have to close it. Simple. So a little hang because of my screen recorder. I am using my screen recorder because it is hanging a little. So it will take a little time at the first when you open BlueStacks tools. So BlueStacks tools also is very good, guys, and didn't hang. Okay, means if you play like the game like PUBG, Free Fire, it will not hang. It will go very smoothly. Okay, so it is taking a time. So let me pause it, guys. I need to open and you can see welcome. Okay, so you have to do right. Just a second. Got Google, continue, and you have to give your email and password. So let me give it and let me sign in. Okay, so now next. Okay, and have to wait a little. Okay, signing in. So now you can close BS Twitter. So let's close it. So you can see our BlueStacks is signing in. So we will wait a little, not very much. So here in backup and restore icon, you have to click on it. Means the right you have to put up. So location also do it, and now next. Setup payment info, you have to click on no thanks. If you want to add a credit or debit card, you can do it, but I will click on the no thanks icon. And you can type your name, what name you want to customize. So I will keep my name and your BlueStacks card. So got it. And guys, see, successfully BlueStacks has been installed. So let's open got it. Let's open Play Store. So guys, get started icon. Okay, and it has opened. So you can download any applications from here, and if you want to import APK and OBB, you can import. So how to import APK installation is very easy from here. So how to import OBB, let me tell you. So here where you have downloaded, you have to first go the folder, but in the BlueStacks, then user data, then shared folder. If you have downloaded on C, shared folder, you have to paste the OBB. If you have downloaded on C, you have to go to here program data, then BlueStacks, then the path I have told you. So the path, follow it and you can do it. Import, you can also import APK OBB. So guys, this was the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe and share. So let's search a app like Among Us. So let's see Among Us. So let's install it. Accept. Guys, see, Among Us is downloading here. 4%, 5%. Let's click on it. You can see it is downloading. So it is a very quick installer. So you can download any apps, any games from here. So guys, this is the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe and share. So I'm cancelling it because I don't like. So bye bye guys, and bye bye. So email you can see guys, email sheet cbrother163@gmail.com. You can send any message to me with the email and in my Gmail account, and I will quickly respond it. So bye bye guys, and if you enjoyed, please subscribe. I have seen you that you are seeing the videos but you have not subscribed, so please subscribe guys, and bye bye, take care, bye.